Wow, it looks old. They need to paint this puppy. It looks like the roller coaster version of me. This thing is old as... Oh, it was more than 20 years ago. Yeah, it was like 30, 35, 40. Yeah, it's a long time. Dude, I rode this at 18 and less. I rode this at 15. I rode this at 15, so at the very least it's 35.
Oh, for you, but I'm talking about us together.
Lap bars and faith, that's what keeps you in.
Sure.
Yeah.
And just when you're doing that last loop, you're ready for it to end. Around.
Yeah.
I think this one was probably my favorite. I think I like this one better than the other one.
Oh, I like this. I like Scorpion better than the Python and also, yeah. Yeah. I think I can. Yeah, some hello scream. Everybody's going with that Coco motif now. The cheetah. Check out the Egypt area. Yeah, when it's outdoor roller coasters, yeah, if they have lightning, but it's passing, so I wouldn't expect it to be closed much longer. We're going, what is this? The Lion Trek or something like that? What was this called? I don't know. Yeah, me neither. I just started walking. But there haven't been a lot of animals on the Animals Trek or in the Serengeti. We just had a rainstorm, so I think some of them are in hiding because of, oh, there's hippo. And he looks like a hungry hippo. And he's a little pissed. Yeah. He's looking right at us.
He is big. That's one big ass hippo. It's big enough for birds to use it as a feed.
Yeah. I think is the light on? Is that one? Oh, there we go. That's why he started staring over here. There's a bright light staring at him. Is that a hip? Is that what we're looking at? A hippo's skull? There's no sign saying what it is. But anyway, you were fighting a hippo in a video game? Assassin's Creed Origins, you were saying?
Yeah, that was one of the enemies. Because it started off as like getting attacked by like a lion, and then I ended up walking to hippos. The hippos killed the lion, started chasing me, found alligators, stopped chasing me, ended up killing the alligators.
That's funny.
It was just a stupid chain of events.
I have dreams about like zoo animals escaping, and then like I'm walking down the street and like I see the different zoo animals. And I had a dream where I was hiding under a bench because a hippo was running down the street.
That's a tower thing. That's what that is. Like the Falcon's Fury.
Uh-huh.
That's what that noise is.
Who was he mad at?
Oh, he was talking to me. I wonder if it's feeding time.
Yeah, maybe.
That's pretty special. I highly really like you right here. Is that stairs? They're cargo boxes though, they're being scared. Alright, say bye, hyena.
I hear they're pretty vicious as well.
Oh yeah.
The lions, they take a nap. That male lion is just chilling.
That's what they do.
Yeah, look at that. Just relaxing. We're good. End of the day. The Impala is just locked eyes with us, and I don't know, is he scared or is he, you know, because he's not moving. There he goes. After he notices, no, they're not a threat. Now that one's staring at us, wondering if we're a threat. I got news for you. With those horns, you're a bigger threat to us than we are to you. Yeah, it's fine.
They're just looking back like, they're coming.
Can I throw a bush at it?
There's another one to the left over there. There's another one to the left over there.
You see it moving this way?
Look at the size of this thing. This was what I was talking about the really big alligators. One time we were at a beach and there was a crocodile right just like that, but he was a little further out, and then one just like in the water there was swimming to up, and Callie was taking a picture of one while the other was coming closer to her, and then my dad walked up and the alligator left.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. May I have your attention, please?
Busch Gardens
All
is
themed
closed.
attractions at Busch Gardens are now closed for the day. However, we would
GTFO.
like to remind you that the Moroccan Village will remain open an additional 1/2 hour for your shopping convenience.
Las atracciones en Busch Gardens ya están cerradas por el día, aunque queremos recordarles que en el Moroccan Village continuará abierto por una media hora más para su conveniencia a la hora de hacer sus compras. Esperamos hayan disfrutado su estadía aquí en Busch Gardens y les invitamos a que nos visiten pronto. Gracias y que tengan buenas noches.
Well, there you go, true believers. That's the last of our day at Busch Gardens, and it was really an exploratory day. my kids, the family hadn't been there in a long time. And yeah, I refer to my kids, even though they're adults, as kids and such like that. But we had a good time. We were just seeing what it was all about, and we had a bit of a tiff before we got there. Plus, one of us was sick, so we didn't go on a lot of rides, and I forgot the GoPro. And I said, okay, we'll just walk around. We'll enjoy what we do. We'll see a lot of stuff, but not do a lot of stuff, and we'll come back again next time. Next time we do this, we're going to do more rides, and I'll bring the GoPro, so it'll be on-ride video and all that kind of stuff. So that should be fun. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it anyway. I know we did. Please click like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And if you don't mind helping out the channel, go on over to Patreon. The link's in the description below. I'd like to thank everybody who has already done that. To everyone, all of the true believers, thank you very, very much for watching.
Oh, don't they have a difficult soccer ball?
Do you need a break from modern living? Do you long to shed?